thing. There we go. You don't have to speak. They won't hear you. It's only if I put out my headphones. So you can talk to me. So I am about to leave this planet. Okay, let me just speed up time. Speed 10. That works. Doomsday device. Hey, now this should work. Okay. Okay, there we go. Ow. Yes, it worked. Scary sounds, scary sounds. Awesome. Right. Let me one. Okay, so what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I was gonna go in here. Make it day. Now. Okay. Are you not gonna talk? Um, Hey, where's wait, what the hell? My launch platform is literally underwater. What? I'm not even joking right now. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. What? No, it's meant to go above, but who cares? Let's start creating. Oh, there we go. Now it works. Yippee, we're saved. Now I'm gonna stop screen sharing. There we go. Speed 10. There we go. I'm on max speed now. That means I'm making the robot. There we go. There we go. I've got a full-on black Neptune escape rocket. Um, dude, don't ask me. I really can't. Actually, yeah, you can. I actually made the world's one of the tallest bases in the whole game. Okay, auxiliary power unit online. There's communications array. Okay, okay, I'm getting my time capsule ready. Ion cubes, why not? How did I build what? Ah, I know. Right. Okay, I am finished my time capsule. Don't ask me for that help, okay? Oh, dude, I'm about to launch my rocket. Dude, dude, I'm gonna screen share so you can watch what the ending looks like. Then this is the first time I've ever done it. Dude, are you watching? You use your scroll wheel. Okay, dude, look on Discord. I'm launching the rocket. Six, five, four, three, two, one. Yes. There we go. Dude, are you watching? Dude, watch, please. You can make it later. Wait, is that the Aurora? There's the Arctic. Oh, damn. White screen, cool. There we go. I finished the game. Oh my. Oh, oh, Jacksepticeye. 8-bit Ryan. That awesome crunch. I just finished the credits. And I can't. There we go. 1 trillion credits, apparently. There we go. Wow. I actually finished the game. No. I think you get something when you play it on Steam, but yes. Oh my. Yes. I think that took me like an hour or two. Oh, yes. Yes. Well, now I know what to do with the rest of my time of 2 minutes. Oh, no, I'm not gonna get off. I'm just gonna continue building my tallest base. Okay. Oh, oh my god. Finally. After so long, I finally did it. But, oh my. Oh, oh. Oh my god. Honestly, I don't know how I did it. Like, I am actually so happy I did it. Okay, now time to continue. First, I need to get no cost cheat on, no damage, and quick build. Oh. Quick build. Okay, who cares? But there you go. I finally did it after so long. So my if you didn't understand how happy I am